Hey YouTube.
Well, YouTube, the guy in the store, oh my god.
This atmospheric river here again in California. So we're gonna do the smart thing and we're gonna go walk around and check out all of our stuff.
Yeah, we got stuff everywhere, so look at my tire, man. God, I tied it to the tree, that's smart.
Holy crap. The wind's no joke, I'll tell you that. That we already broke that yesterday. Well, realistically, it broke the other morning, and then we went to take it down, and then we realized that the joints were weak, so there it sits. Meredith has decided right now is a good time to take it all apart. Now it's coming apart. It looked like it was coming apart very easily. What, right after? So I got my trusty boots and pajamas on. It's gonna be a low solar day, obviously. We got a little bit of flooding right here. I guess it's supposed to be pretty steady rate. Oh. So it's not like lots of downpours, it's just steady. Not too much so far. Big Mama's still standing. If you don't know, that big tree right there is Big Mama. It's tied. The Honda tire stayed. Just a little flooding right here. Not too bad. The tarp's still on the Mustang. On the carport, whatever. I mean, it's still there.
Hanging on.
For dear life. Woo! Gonna get blown away.
I think everything's okay. But this is a whole nother day.
Yeah, for now. I don't know. I got some baking to do. I'm debating on doing that, so we'll just have to see what we do. Oh, Ned broke down too. My Blazer.
And it needs what do you call it?
Freeze plug.
Freeze plug, yeah. So we'll work on that in a week or two. She's back in the Yukon, so.
Hold reliable.
Yeah.
Good morning. This is the day after the storm. It got pretty wild and crazy last night, so this one little tree ain't that bad.